Welcome to day 5 of the 20k trading challenge. We are officially a full week into this journey and the results have been absolutely mind-blowing. From starting with just 2k, we have been compounding our profits daily using my premium trading algo AI bot, and today we are taking this even further. Today we are stepping it again with 10k trades per entry. That means bigger risk and bigger rewards and even faster growth. Let's dive straight into the action. For those just turning in, here's what happened. My AI-powered trading bot analyzes real-time market data, identifies the best trade opportunities, and execute with precision and speed, something no human trader can match. Over the past 4 days, we have seen this bot consistently win trade after trade, providing why smart automation beats emotional trading every time. Today it's time to test its power once again, but with $10,000 per trade. Alright, let's place our first trade of the day. The bot is signaling a strong sell, the market is showing a solid uptrend, and our indicators are confirming the move. Let's lock it in. Boom, another win just like that, 10k in, and we are already stacking profits. This is exactly why I trust this bot. It doesn't hesitate, it doesn't guess, it just follows pure data driven strategies for consistent wins. Now, let's place our third trade and final of the day. The bot is signaling a breakout pattern and I trust it 100%. Here we go. And boom, second win in a row. This is the power of compounding profit. We started with 2k in just 5 days ago and now we are placing 10k trades effortlessly. Let's take a second to talk about why this bot is so powerful. Unlike manual traders who rely on guesswork and emotions, this AI bot follows real-time data analysis, advanced technical indicators, and automated execution with zero hesitation. It scans the market, finds the best setups, and executes faster than human possible. This means no more emotional decision, no more second guessing, just highlight accurate, profitable trades. If you're watching this and thinking I need this bot in my life, you're absolutely right. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, this bot does all the heavy lifting for you. No stress, no emotional trading, just consistent automated profits. Want access to my premium trading algo AI bot? Click the link in the description now and start winning. And that's a wrap up day 5, another insane session, and we achieved our 200k goal. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications because tomorrow we are pushing even harder, bigger trades, bigger risk, and bigger rewards. You don't want to miss the upcoming bot videos. Let's keep crushing and see you in the next video.